Here I've got Motorola Edge, and let me show you how to activate autocorrection on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select System, and here go to Languages and Input. Go to Virtual Keyboard then, and click on Gboard. Then click on Text Correction, and here you can smoothly activate it right here, unless it is active. Just click here and make sure that the indicator is blue, and your autocorrection will be on. You can also click on spell checker because it's also a super useful feature, and it will make your misspelled words marked. And this is it, that will be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.